Hi everyone, this is Diane from Owl's Treasures. So today I'm making Midnight Waters. I'm going to use from Micah's More Midnight Blue and Cambridge Blue. And the other color I'm going to use is Hardwood Charcoal from Mad Micah's. Not going to use a lot of the charcoal, just going to have a little color for accent. In my lye water I have sodium lactate. Midnight Waters is fragrance from Brambleberry. It colors to an off-white or a light tan. It has slight acceleration. So depending on how quickly it accelerates, it will help determine the design of the soap, basically. Not blending this a lot since it accelerates already. So basically just brought it to emulsification. Alright, we'll pour the black first. And I'm just going to divide the rest of this up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, I think we're going to just do a drop swirl since this is looking so nice. It's definitely behaving very nice. Should get a really pretty swirl in there. Not going to save a lot for the top, just a little bit. Do a little swirl design on top and we'll be ready to go. And this will sit for 24 to 48 hours and we'll be back with the cut. So I totally spaced off. Forgot to add fragrance to this soap. Still turned out very, very pretty. Will just be unscented for the soap that I'm trying to accomplish. These are a little bit wider than I normally make because I want to have plenty of room for the turtle. I love the colors on here. Turned out very nice. So I will have to remake this one. Actually, remember to put the fragrance in this time. Loving the swirls in here. Oh, that one's really pretty. Thank you for watching and have a great day.